let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Take this sticker off and it just opens up like so. And voila. And let's see what is inside here. We have a We Are For You. We have a service card, I believe. Oh, wow, that's nice. These look like the things that you put on your phone. Back. And this is it. Oh, it's full of battery. Fantastic. This. Oh, look at this. It's like a little box. A bag. We have the, I believe this is like the boom for the mics. Oh, these look like little clips that you can use on them.
Right now I have the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and this is what it sounds like just with the microphone from the camera. All right, so I have the audio plugged in. I have the wireless lavalier on my mic, on my person, and this is what it sounds like. It also has a filtering system, so let's go ahead and press this once. It'll turn green, and now the filtering system is on, so it filters out any other excess noises and whatever.
So for example, this heater you can definitely hear, and I am on the normal mic for the Z Flip 5.
And this is with the filter off, so this is what it sounds like when I'm right next to that exact same heater. So now I'm in front of that said heater with my microphone, and this is just with the, hold on, that's just with the, oh, this is actually with the filter on.